Good afternoon from sunny MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 2021 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard boat. This boat is equipped with a black Mercury 300 horsepower engine on the back. It's a single engine. You'll notice that there is gray sea decking on the swim platform, which is great for keeping your feet nice and cool after the sun hits the flooring. There's a beautiful stone gray colored pad on the back, perfect for lounging around in the sun. As we enter the boat, you'll notice that the sea decking continues throughout. It's a really nice coastal gray color, perfect for the hot Florida sun. Here's Sea Ray's quintessential L-shaped seating. Again, perfect for lounging, entertaining, for your friends, family, guests. It's perfect. Over here, you'll notice that you still have seating continued throughout. Let's go up front to the helm station. This boat is equipped with Simrad and Fusion radio. The helm seat on the Sea Ray articulates back and forward, forward for when you're driving the boat, and you push it back, and you have more room for that lounging and entertainment portion of boating. Same thing over here, the seat articulates back and forth. This boat is equipped with a small head. Over here, you have a lockbox, which is perfect for keys, wallet, locking it up when you do a dock and dine. You'll notice here that the windshield closes, kind of shielding you from the elements, rain, wind, etc. We'll go forward on this boat. Again, plenty of seating, lots of storage. Here are the speakers, so you can hear it in the front and the back of the boat. There's the anchor. This boat has a nice navy blue bimini top, perfect for taking shade in the hot Florida sun. A cool feature about this Sea Ray is that underneath the helm station, if we open this up, you'll see again it's great storage space, and you also have a table that you could put out for dining and entertaining. If you have questions about this boat or any other boat, please call us at 239-481-8200 today.